with this graduation night, we would all welcome it, embracing it, and would be also living it with all those memorable moments of our lives, all those experiences that we learned, we shared with our classmates, with our teachers, with our families. So, to all of those who are here tonight, thank you. We all know that there are parents who are not here, who are not able to come, but even though they are not here tonight, like my father, I would like to thank you all because even though you are not here tonight, we all know that you are always behind us, supporting us, guiding us, giving us what we need, providing us everything that we need in our daily lives. To God Almighty, we would also like to thank you because you haven't shut light from us. You have given us the privilege to wake up every day, go to school, spend time with our family, learn things. And we also would like to thank him because he is always there giving us wisdom and knowledge so that we could surpass whatever that comes our way. To my fellow classmates, fellow Adelans, I would like to thank you because all of you made my high school life very happy. Yes, there are sad times that we encounter. We have arguments, unending arguments, but all of those things help us to be what we are right now. Those things get mixed up together and producing us with successful life. So to everyone here, again, thank you for being here, for showing your support to all of us. And we all hope that you would enjoy this time, this moment, as we all graduate, also enjoy this. And let's all be happy. Yes, it is normal to cry, especially for parents and for us graduates, but we should remember that this moment this is what we will embrace as we enter new life. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy this evening as we all graduate. Enjoy this also. Thank you for coming here tonight, and don't forget that this graduation is not the end. There will be tomorrow. We will face new challenges. And with this graduation night, we will all go home with smiling faces because we have closed another chapter and we have surpassed the trials. Thank you for being here tonight, for having us here, for supporting us.